You want success without sacrifice? Then leave now. Discipline isn't optional. Consistency isn't advice. They're laws. Break them and you'll fail, no matter how much you wish. Most of you talk about wanting success, but you're not willing to live what success demands. That's the truth you can't escape. If you're hoping for comfort, turn this off now. What I'm about to tell you will demand you bleed for your dreams. Most people will hear this and stay exactly the same, but those who want results will treat these as commandments. Here are the 5 laws of discipline and consistency you must live or stay average forever. Number 5, discipline your thoughts. First, your mind is the breeding ground of every success or failure you'll ever have. Don't lie to yourself about this. If you let doubt, fear, or laziness grow unchecked, you've already lost. I don't allow weakness to live in my thinking. I kill it the moment it appears. You want discipline in your actions? Then command your thoughts. You want consistency in results? Then repeat the right thoughts until your mind obeys without question. Look at your life. Every failure you've had started as a thought you refuse to control. Don't blame the world. Blame the undisciplined thinking you let run wild. Number 4, consistency turns weakness into strength. Most people want dramatic change overnight. That's the fantasy that keeps them weak. Consistency isn't flashy. It's not exciting, but it's the hammer that shapes your weakness into power. Small, repeated actions, no matter how painful or dull, build the unbreakable habits that carry you when motivation dies. Don't celebrate your big ideas. Celebrate your ability to do what matters, even when you hate it. If you're hoping for a shortcut, understand this. Consistency is the shortcut, but it's the one no one wants to pay for. Number 3, build habits that make choice obsolete. Discipline isn't about making hard choices every day. It's about building habits so you don't need to choose at all. I don't debate whether to work or rest. I don't ask myself if today is convenient. I have decided once, and I live that decision forever. Winners make discipline automatic because they know choice is the gateway to excuses. You want freedom? Then remove the choice to be weak. Most of you will nod along while planning to stay exactly the same. Don't tell me you want success if you can't even commit to automating the bare minimum of your discipline. Number 2, outlast everyone with ruthless consistency. Talent is worthless if you can't outlast the grind. Most people quit when it gets boring, when it gets hard, when it tests their resolve. I don't care about their talent. I care about who's left standing when it's over. Consistency isn't about being the best every day. It's about refusing to disappear. It's about showing up when others fold. Make yourself impossible to kill, not by brilliance, but by relentless survival. Most will listen and stay weak. Don't be most. These laws don't care about your excuses. They punish you for them. Number 1, discipline is the price of freedom. You think discipline is punishment? It's the only path to real freedom. The undisciplined man is a slave to his mood, his weakness, his fears. I'm free because I obey my own rules. I'm free because I pay the price of self-command. You want options in life? Earn them by mastering yourself. Without discipline, freedom is just an illusion you sell yourself to feel better about your chains. You don't have a secret plan for success. You barely have the courage to admit what you want. These laws will force you to choose. Most will hear these laws and nod, convinced they're different while changing nothing. Don't be most. Choose one of these today and live it until you can't recognize the undisciplined person you used to be. These aren't suggestions. They're demands. Break them and stay average forever. Don't admire these laws. Adopt them. Don't just hear them. Live them. The world makes way for those who dare to rise. Click the Rise button now to subscribe and claim the destiny waiting for you. Your time is now.